Hello everyone, welcome to Medical Research Tools. In this new series of videos, I am going to show you how to use every single tool in the 3D Slicer. If you are a newer in this software, I suggest you that you follow these short videos about how to use every tool. And at the end, you're going to be able to choose the proper one for your own tasks and cases in segmentation. In my case, and in this one, I'm going to show you how to use the scissors tools, one of the easiest and the most useful ones in segmentation. As you can see in my case, the whole cortex is in green and is called the right cerebral cortex. I want to separate the left and the right. For doing so, I add a segment and call it the left cerebral cortex. You can choose whatever color you want. And this is the scissors tools. The most important point about using this tool is to choose the right segment for every part. In this list above, you have to choose the segment that you want to change, and the editable area would be the segment that you want to put instead of the selected one at the top. Don't forget to not change any other settings, and the rest is really simple. You have to uncircle the area that you want to change by drawing a circle around the left cerebral cortex. The green segment in this area will be changed into the pink one, or the left cerebral cortex. This is very simple and it will change it automatically. As you can see in my case, there's some parts that have some mistakes that correcting them is really simple, and again by using the scissors tools. So for this over-segmented green part, I again use the scissors tools. First choose the right cerebral cortex, and the editable area would be the one that I'm going to change into. And again, draw a circle around it. At the back, in this part, there is a little over-segmentation of the left cerebral cortex. For correcting it with scissors tools, again, I have to choose the part that I want to change at the top and the one that I'm going to create instead of it in the editable area. And that's it. Very simple. We separate the left and right cerebral cortex. You can use this tool in many tasks in many different kinds of imagings. Hope you found it very helpful. Keep up for new videos about 3D Slicer tools.